In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best COALS2U discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for COALS2U discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this 15% discount, all you need to do right here is select your coupon code, and this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy it and apply this one on your next purchase to get this 15% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called voucher discount. So as you can see, we also have some promo codes right here. For example, if you want to receive up to 25% discount of all orders, all you need to do is select show code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can copy this one from right here and apply on the next purchase to get a discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.